Hi all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Bog. This one is on a Majorette. It's from the Majorette tune-ups line. It's a build-a-car kind of kit. There's 18 different type of these, and you can see that it comes with a couple different accessories to make it tuned up. I don't know. It comes with apparently 7 surprises with chrome effects. I don't know anything about these. I just discovered them at Walmart a little while ago, so never really had a chance to play around with any of these. So I figure, well, let's crack one open, see what it is about, see what has to get done, and we'll take a look at it, because they're all mystery kind of models, so I don't know what's in it or how to do it. Comes with a little instruction sheet. So you gotta undo this bottom part, I guess, or is that what the idea is? Yeah, I guess so. So let's. Oh, hey, that's, and it just flies off, so that takes it out of that. I guess all your parts are in these box sections, so let's see how to open them, see what's in them. You got a little hood section, some stickers, and this section here you have plastic body trim, so that's kind of a weird thing. I'll start with a box on the side, and the model itself is there, and it is let's see what they say what this model is. It is a Toyota GT86. It's kind of interesting, I guess. The idea is to be able to change some things around. You can't really do much in a way of taking it apart. Somehow this hood comes off or it clicks out. I don't know entirely how that's supposed to happen. As if it just, oh yeah, so it just pops out all over the place, and it's a kind of a toughie, so I don't know how well this is gonna be for kids. But so what you can do is add this hood part in white with, there we go, with kind of a light, make it look kind of like a rally, and then it gives you this plastic cage that you could put over top of it to give it that funky looking beast mode kind of thing. And then it gives you like a little sticker sheet, which I'm not quite sure where you're supposed to be putting that. So that's the brochure. Oh yeah, so we got this one, which is this car here, which you take the hood off and you could put the different parts onto it. You got a type 3, you got a type 1 and a type 2, which is this, I guess supposed to be a Land Rover or Ice Cruiser or whatever it is. So that's kind of a neat little item. So that's it for this this kind of video. I think the car looks better without this hunk of junky thing. And if you can kind of click that out, I think it actually looks better with that hood. But again, it's for kids, so I'm sure they'll enjoy it. So I will leave it there, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much for watching. If you like this kind of content, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see everyone in the next video.